Hello there, team. It's your EZPZBUX administrator here, coming to you with our first video on how to earn more on EZPZBUX. We had quite a few users asking about the bonus ads and how they can be completed properly to earn. So here it is, our first video with the full explanation and process on how to earn from the bonus ad. First, you'll need to head over to our Earn Money and view advertisement. From there, you can scroll down to the bonus ads and continue by clicking the bonus ad of your choice. Now, we might get a few pop-ups here. So we're just gonna run through these. Skip ad, pop-up. Skip ad, pop up. And now we've been redirected to the page we were looking for, the Offer Walls contest. Each short link will lead you to a different page, whether it's to EZPZBUX or to another sponsor that we have. It could lead you to anywhere, but this is what you're looking for. You're looking for a nice clean page with no short links at the top. And then we can head back to the ads page. We can complete the capture. Thank you for watching. We have now earned. Alrighty, everyone. That is Bob's your uncle. That is how you earn money on our bonus ad. Thanks everyone for viewing, and stay tuned for more videos revolving around how to earn on EZPZBUX.